Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Windows has a built-in weather app, as you may well know. And the weather app can be downloaded as well from the Microsoft Store. And as the name implies, the app is supposed to be a simple utility in the operating system, where you open it, check the temperature, check the forecast, and then you close the app. So basically, it's designed to be a simple utility. But according to recent reports are suggesting that the app can be demanding on system memory, where testing has shown that the app can use around 1 gigabyte immediately after opening, and memory consumption may eventually fall to roughly 500 megs to 600 megs while idle. But interacting with the app can push usage to anywhere between 1.2 and 1.5 gigabytes, which I think is extreme for a weather app. Now, before posting today, I ran the weather app using Task Manager, and when I launched the app earlier today, I got 900 odd megabytes of usage that my task manager told me the app was using on launch. Now, if I test it again, we can see it's climbing now to 600 odd megs, 700 odd megs, 800 odd megs. There we go. So it's now stabilizing at about 800 odd megs, anywhere between 750 and 850 megabytes, which I still think is extreme for a weather app. And then, as mentioned, if it stands idle after a while, it can drop to anywhere between 500 and 600 megabytes. But I still even think 700 to 800 megabytes is quite extreme for a weather app. Now, a full desktop app using more than 1 gigabyte of RAM isn't necessarily unusual. But for a weather app, I think that is unusual. And the reason for this, why the weather app has heavier usage, could be because it includes, as you can see, ads, which we have spoken about previously on the channel, and MSN-powered content. So as a result, the app works more like a web-based content portal than a simple weather utility. So the combination of advertising, news content, and high RAM consumption makes it considerably heavier than you might expect from a basic weather application. Now, obviously, the high memory usage matters less on PCs with 32 gigabytes of RAM, but if you're running a low budget machine, say with 8 gigabytes or 16 gigabytes, you could feel a greater impact. So hopefully Microsoft in the future will optimize the app further if it wants Windows 11 applications to run comfortably on those lower memory systems. But let me know what you get in Task Manager launching the weather app if you do use it. What is your usage on launch? I'll be interested to hear. And the good thing is, if you are concerned about its usage, be that in the background or as an app, the good news is you are able to uninstall the weather app. So it's not a one-way street or a dead end. So if you are concerned, you are able to uninstall the weather app. But let me know your usage down below. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.